Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review this electric compressed air duster. So I have received this one to review and we have reviewed quite a lot of similar products. So let's open up the cover and see what is this product. Right, now let's have a look what we got on the box. So it's a multi-use, so it's probably like different use cases. So built-in lighting, it has a powerful and effective engine probably. And looking at the box, the battery is 11.1 volt, which is an unusual battery. Actually the input could be 5 volt 2 amps. Let's open it up. Right, this is our user manual. Let's have a quick look what we got. So we have the air outlet, so we have got the switch key, light button in here, so different sort of brushes, and Type-C charging port, which seem to be like under this, and we have got the air inlet, and that is going to be our outlet. Right, we have different nozzles as well. So for the first one for getting rid of the dust from the computer, from keyboard and some other things, and the other one is like a static or thick dust adhesion. We have got, well, the button in here, so we have got the model of A1 Pro, I believe. So the battery is 2000 milliampere hours, power max is 180 and power supply is 160 watts. Input is 5 volt 2 amps, charging time 3 hours, 10 to 60 minutes can be used. And yeah, let's open it up. We have a bag as well to keep it inside, which is pretty cool, actually quite handy. This is our brush. Different nozzles we have, pretty standard nozzles, right? So these ones we always have usually. And here we have some more brushes as well, so we never had this much brushes, which is pretty cool actually. Different sizes, and from each of them we have 2, so which is very good. This is the first time we have these sort of heads. This is our device, quite heavy I would say. So let's open the button. So they put this one so that it doesn't smash itself in the transportation and turn on, which is a smart move. So this is our inlet and that is our outlet. So this is our USB-C charging here, and this is our light, pretty strong I would say. When you turn on the light, actually you see the battery level in here, and we press this one. This is our inlet. We press again. It is really strong, this one. So I like the way the head goes inside, so it's more robust compared to other ones. We recently had reviewed one which was actually you had to press it and drag it out. That one was very weak, but this is pretty strong I would say. Let's turn it on again. It's the first mode, the second mode, third. It is really strong. I would say this is way more strong than everything else we have reviewed. All these sort of air dusters and so on. Really nice. Nice and strong device I would say. And these different nozzles basically could be used for different purposes, right? And these ones are probably to clean the dust before using it, so whatever the application is. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you liked it. If so, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos on a daily basis. Make sure you stay tuned. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Thank you and bye bye.